What is happening, everybody? Good people of YouTube and not so good people of YouTube. No matter whether you're good or bad, I'm sorry about the camera work there. I'm in a bit of a hurry. I'm trying to make this a quick video. Whether you're a good or bad person on YouTube, the fact of the matter is you make the world go round, right? So we all have our place. We all need to know our role, correct? So what I have for you guys today, this is going to be a quick video. Like I said, I'm busy and I need to leave. It's raining out like a son of a bitch. But I have an important channel update that I'm sure you guys will be interested in because it's guitar related, and well, I'll just come out with it. Soon you guys are going to see a live stream on my channel in which you can participate in the comment section, and I don't know, maybe we'll have like a vote, and afterwards people can join into the live hangout and talk about what transpired. It's going to be a guitar off, like see who's going to get their head chopped, one of those type of things. And I'll just tell you a little bit of a backstory, and I'm not going to say the guy's name because I don't want anybody fucking with him in the comment section. The past, maybe a couple days, maybe the past 2 days or so, there was a guy who showed up on one of my videos, and he was trying to debate science, let's just say, because I kind of want to be vague about which video he was commenting on. Like I said, I really don't want anybody messing with him because I want this whole thing to take place. But let's just say he was trying to debate science, and I made very clear in this video that I'm no expert in the subject I was talking about. I was just trying to give a small piece of my philosophy regarding a subject regarding guitars. And he has no scientific evidence, so immediately just started insulting me and telling me how I'm a moron and this and that and the other, and which would have been fine. And in one of the comments, I said to him, maybe I proved that I'm not a luthier, but I'm happy to prove my musicmanship against you any day of the week. You name the challenge and we'll both do videos and let our peers judge. So then he came back with another insulting comment about how I must not be able to hear. So I asked him again, so are you not willing to answer my challenge? You will just continue your cowardly, faceless comments. And he came back with a comment. He said, Detroit Wrecker, you choose an instrument and put up your video. And I said, I choose guitar and we'll live stream it. When are you available? Which I got no response. And then he came back in a new comment, I think, on the same video. I'm looking it up here as we film. It was a new thread he had started. Oh, and then he said, okay, he said, and he made another insulting comment where he said, I knew you were one of Will's Easy Guitars puppies. And then he commented, he said, just put up your post and I will answer. And I told him, no, let's do a live stream. That way it will keep it fair. Neither of us will be able to manipulate anything to our benefit. Let our peers judge us. I will make an announcement on my channel, which I'm kind of doing now. This is the pre-announcement. I will make an announcement on my channel, and you can invite whomever you like. Don't be a coward. I know that is your MO here on the internet, and no doubt you're a cowardly little pussy in life. You have a chance to change all that, and I am giving you that chance. It's important that he knows that I am giving you this opportunity. And then again, I said, when are you available? So I'm still waiting. to find out when he's available. As soon as I find out when he's available, or maybe it's a she, maybe it's a chick, I don't know. And I don't know anything about this person, so I could totally get my ass kicked here, you know, on guitar. So that's the important news update in Detroit Record YouTube channel. So yeah, pretty soon, looks like we're going to have a live stream coming up. I will announce it. We'll get organized here once I hear back from this guy. We'll get organized, figure out which day we can do it, time, all that kind of stuff, and I'll give you guys at least you know, a day in advance to let you know what's happening. But this should be cool. It should be a cool challenge, and if he or she is just a cowardly little pussy, then what we'll end up doing is maybe we'll just have a live stream where whoever wants to jump into the stream can, and maybe we'll just do like a collaboration, write a song together or something like that. So there you go. Alright guys, I'll see you soon. I gotta get out of here. I'm busy today, so take it easy. We'll see you next time, and look for the update.